Morning guys, back up in Woodstock, and as you can see she's pretty foggy on the Johnny this morning. I think we're going to keep a little close to shore just to be on the safe side. Let's go catch some muskies. Oh guys, we got a fish on! We got a fish already! Wow! That is something else. We've only been trolling for about 5 minutes. Get that clicker off. Now, this is going to be a little bit of a dog's breakfast. Got to get that net out. There's our muskie. Want to keep him down now. Come on now. We know you can do her. Okay. He's in the bag. Oh my gosh. Not even 5 minutes, guys. That's unbelievable. Woo! There we are, guys. Nice muskie. We're all set back up. I hope that first fish doesn't spoil us. That's not typical muskie fishing, catching them 5 minutes into the day. Could be a long morning and afternoon now, but hey, we got one, we're on the board. There's a couple big marks, guys. Check those out. Gonna have to do a few loops for those. Right here on the down imaging. Just took a little shore break. It's time to get reset. We're starting the day with a tough shad in the clown pattern. Got an old friend of mine, Scott Davis. He custom painted that back in 2018, if I'm not mistaken, Scott. That's caught me a lot of fish, my friend. Thank you. Lost it one time and managed to get it back as well. Let's get this bait back out. We'll run this for the next half hour or so, then maybe go over to a jake. Water temperature is right around 58 degrees Fahrenheit. Not too bad for this time of the year. Still lots of fishing left. I've noticed the Bixby's a lot quieter since I put a rubber mat between the motor mount and the base plate. My buddy Renee told me to do that and it's worked perfectly. Time to call her a day. First muskie adventure with the yak, and we put one in the bag, so we couldn't be happier. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Till next time, stay safe.